As severe weather threatens various parts of Ontario, residents are bracing for the impact of intense thunderstorms predicted to sweep through the region. Environment Canada has issued multiple warnings across the province, cautioning residents about the potential hazards, including torrential rain, high winds reaching up to 100 km per hour, flash floods, and even the possibility of large hail. London is among the areas expecting to bear the brunt of the storm, with forecasts indicating winds reaching speeds of up to 100 km per hour accompanied by torrential rain. Residents are advised to take necessary precautions to ensure their safety and secure any loose objects outdoors to prevent damage. Similarly, Windsor, Essex has been put on alert with a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. The region is expected to experience intense thunderstorms with the potential for damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Residents are urged to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel during the storm. Ontario and Quebec are set to kick off the weekend with a heightened risk of thunderstorms, setting the stage for an unsettled weather pattern in the region. This volatile weather system is expected to bring instability and the possibility of severe thunderstorms, further complicating outdoor activities and travel plans. Barrie is also on high alert as severe thunderstorms loom over the area. With the potential for wind gusts of up to 100 km per hour, flash floods, and large hail, residents are urged to stay vigilant and seek shelter indoors until the storm passes. Kitchener is not immune to the impending severe weather, with forecasts warning of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts of up to 100 km per hour. Residents are advised to stay informed about the evolving weather conditions and take necessary precautions to stay safe. In a recent update, Environment Canada has lifted severe weather warnings for Mississauga, Brampton, and Caledon. However, residents are reminded to remain vigilant as weather conditions can change rapidly, and localized storms may still pose a threat to the area. As communities across Ontario prepare for the impact of severe thunderstorms, it's crucial for residents to stay informed about weather updates and heed advice from local authorities to ensure their safety. With high winds, torrential rain, and the risk of flash floods, taking proactive measures can help mitigate the potential risks associated with severe weather events.